Here's exactly why dropshipping is the best side hustle that you can pursue right now. So what you need to understand is that dropshipping is basically a form of fulfillment. What you're actually doing is e-commerce. Unlike in the past, if you open a brick and mortar store, you would require to actually hold stock into that store. What dropshipping allows you to do is basically be able to market your product without physically having the stock within you, while having a middleman that ships all of your orders straight to your customer. Unlike in the past where you would need to open a physical store, it has a very low startup cost. In 2023 currently, Shopify is offering a $1 subscription month plan for anyone to basically start their Shopify dropshipping stores. And here's exactly what you'll need to start. So basically, what you're gonna need is to try and find a cool product or cool products that you can market through either social media or Google advertising. On the different social medias that you can use is either TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. Now, finding that product or products can go in many different ways. You can either look for a private local supplier, or you can order products off of AliExpress, or you can order a product off of Amazon. This is the simple ways that I have gone about finding my product or products to be able to start my dropshipping store. Now, after the product has been shipped out to you, this is the part where you start a branded website and a branded social media page. We're gonna take TikTok as an example. Now, for the next step, while using TikTok's organic traffic algorithm, all you have to do is basically take some basic iPhone videos with that specific product and market it from there. Now, once you start seeing success with your organic TikTok ads, this is when you move on to paid ads. For example, TikTok advertising, Instagram advertising, basically Meta, and Google Shopping advertising. Now, once you start to see success with your paid ads, it becomes a lot more easier for you to be able to hit at least 5K a month. Now, once your store starts growing, you're basically going to reinvest the money to be able to bulk order the products. So where you're going to bulk order these products is either from your private supplier or Amazon, AliExpress, or Alibaba. Why do I use these websites? Because they are cheap manufacturers, thus increasing your profit margins once you have these products with you. Now, you're not really a dropshipper anymore, you're an actual proper e-commerce store. Now, at this point, once you've completed that final step and you have all of those products either with you or you're still dropshipping, you have officially completed having an e-commerce brand. And at this point in your e-commerce journey or career, you basically have no ceiling as to how much money you can actually make. The best example I can give of a store that started out dropshipping is Shein, and they are worth 50 billion currently because of this method that they did way before anyone even thought of starting an e-commerce brand. Another example I can use is Fashion Nova. The owner started out dropshipping as well and is officially now worth 800 million. Now, currently the biggest dropshipping store in South Africa is takealot.com, and they are worth 4.6 billion currently. Now, unlike a lot of first world countries, in South Africa, dropshipping is still very brand new. In other words, you have a very much bigger chance to be able to reach that level. Currently in the world out there are thousands of e-commerce brands that use the dropshipping method or started out with the dropshipping method and have basically increased their net worth into the hundreds of millions of dollars, rands, whatever currency that you use. Individuals just like you and me. When you come to think about it, it is actually very rare to find a side hustle that has such little barrier to entry, that has such a low startup cost, and has the capability to scale into a very big e-commerce brand. So if you're thinking of starting dropshipping, I wouldn't suggest starting tomorrow. Starting right now would be the best thing you could do for yourself.